Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Incandescent Pool Light 12-volt 300-watt 50-foot cord. Pentair Amerlite lights, the world standard of reliability for underwater lights, feature a stainless steel shell, 8.375-inch prismatic tempered glass lens, and 10.125-inch stainless steel face ring with uni-tension clamp. Create different moods with optional snap-on lens covers in blue, red, and green, available for purchase separately. Amerlite lights are UL listed to install in full-sized Pentair Pool Products, American, PacFab, and Purex niches, and are for use in freshwater with up to 6,000 ppm salinity. Features: superior light diffusion, heat sensing cutoff for low water protection, allows bulk changes without lowering water level, 12-volt, 300-watt, and 50-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.